I'm finna just turn around and keep my head turned around.
Yeah, because I'm recording some more.
Okay, somebody, no, we got room. Just keep walking. Ain't nobody behind you. Except for Moo Moo.
Huh? It's supposed to be all night until 12.
No.
Yeah.
They supposed to stop and let all the people leave, then they continue. So you can see it from. No, they supposed to stop because it's about to rain, so they can't continue.
That's why they try to pop them fast.
Well, everybody.
What if we get all the way down this hill and the fireworks and then the rain stop? I'm gonna be too mad. That's a lot of footage. That's a lot of footage I missed out on. Chris, watch out for me now.
Okay, yeah. It looks like it's stopped. It looks like it's drifting.
Hey, I want some firecrackers for my birthday.
Tatiana jacket's a nerd.
Man, shut up.
I want to say happy birthday, Christina.
I know, right? See, I told you, what if we get all the way down here and it start raining? That's gonna be fire though.
You can have a heart around it. Oh, that's gonna be good too, good. Yeah, favorite colors. They gonna keep
purple,
like these, and at the end, gonna
red, and blue.
They would if you paid them to do that. Still, they look like a heart shape.
Yeah, you saw the kisses on there.
Yeah. Go back that way. Oh yeah, it's about to rain. Hey, when they gonna stop this?
Hey, this building up arm muscle, cause my arm hurt.
Okay, stop. Okay, let's go.
Wait,
It's
I don't think. No.
They would have never.
You never know.
Oh dang.
I told you.
I think that's the end.
Look, watch this. Quote, Chris sucks it. Anything could happen to him. Anything. Anything.
Anything happens. It can just be dripping.
Hey, shut up. Shut up, monkey. Oh, look at it. Sound like rapid gunfire in the back. It's rumbling. Greg, you so stupid. Get down from there. Look at you. Christina, you scared? Oh, look at them. They got their daughters like the same outfit.
It say Maya.
Maya, Kia.